In this video, I'm going to show you how we can disable TalkBack on a Nothing Phone 4a and 4a Pro. However, before I actually show you how to do this, first we need to understand how to navigate on this phone when the TalkBack is enabled, because once it is, you cannot just simply swipe, scroll, and use buttons or options. It works in a slightly different way. So in the case of buttons, options, switchers over here, and pretty much anything that we can select, in order to use that option, we need to tap on that option first, and then we need to double tap in order to confirm our selected option. This includes 3 buttons at the bottom of the screen if you use them for navigation. In the case of swiping and scrolling, so this includes the swiping gestures. If you use gesture for navigation, this includes scrolling up and down on lists or even going through home screen pages. In that case, instead of using just one finger, you have to use 2 fingers. So with 2 fingers, I can scroll up and down in here. So we're gonna begin from the home screen. So I'm gonna just go to recent or background apps. And then in here, I'm just gonna tap on clear all, or make sure that it is selected, and then we can double tap in order to confirm. Of course, if you use gestures for navigation, you need to use 2 fingers as I mentioned, and just swipe from the bottom just like you usually do. Okay, so first we need to open settings. I'm gonna go to the app drawer, so with 2 fingers swipe up, then we can scroll down, and we need to find settings. So we're gonna tap on settings over here and then double tap. Now we're gonna scroll down again because we need to find accessibility. Tap on accessibility once you find it, and then double tap. Tap on the TalkBack once. Let's try again, because I accidentally double tapped. There we go, so we're gonna tap on TalkBack once, and then double tap. Then we can tap on use TalkBack over here, and then double tap, and then confirm, of course by tapping on turn off, and then double tap. And now TalkBack is deactivated. You can use your phone and navigate on it just like before. Leave a like and subscribe.